I took on the class in 3rd grade. After our first play, which is Noah's Ark, I already had a sense that this was the most appropriate play for them to do when they were in 8th grade.
Into your imagination.
I love the story of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I think it's a good fit for them. It's fun, it's exciting, it's colorful, just like the class.
I've got a golden ticket. I got a golden twinkle in my eye.
My take from all of this was from grade 3. I think whatever little thing we know about theater, we shared as much as we could. We tried to bring out the best in them. We tried to let them shine. The biggest take would be Sarah not saying anything, and I was a voice of God, to this one where she was singing and dancing, and just, it was just lovely.
Moon and then he'd bow to the stars. I would say, brush your teeth. Is that dirt behind your ear? But you'd be dreaming if your father were here.
Also, it's intentional on my part to include his voice in every play.
We were happy to content. It took 3 whole days before they finally found this golden ticket.
I found the ticket! I really found the ticket!
Shut up, you! It's my golden ticket! Do you hear me? All mine!
He was the voice of God for Sarah, and then in Laguna, he was also doing
A chicken.
a chicken and a cow.
A tuko.
And then in 5th grade, what were you?
What was that? There was I forget what it is.
But anyway, he always has it's always part of the Lily family. So sometimes people joke it's a buy one, take one deal.
It's buy one, take one deal. Yeah.
Because we work together, and it's really about not us,
It's about
and,
them.
and not even about the show, but really about the process that we go through. That, and in the end, it's always what lessons will they take away, not the applause, not the accolades, but really that we work together for something bigger than ourselves, and we shed light on other people, we support each other. Because since 3rd grade, they've never had anyone behind the scenes helping them out. It's always just them working together. I think this whole play, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, it's a culmination of their own development as well. Because it's not like an instant thing where you get all these skills and you learn from a process. And that's the process that was developed in them since they were in 3rd grade. Because I write the plays of Lily, I always have in mind who in that year needs to shine, or where do we put more sunlight. And so if you notice, in every play, the lead is not the same. Everybody had a chance to shine and to be the lead in each year.
With regards to this play, when you look at it from a process of through the years, this play is amazing because each and every one of them had their own moment.
The character building that I'm most proud of when it comes to them, because they have the ethics, they have the work ethic and the
Discipline.
love for each other, and the discipline. Yes.
And there were, for this one, we had teacher Athena had 3 sort of we were working with words, 3 words, and those were the 3 C's, which was collaboration, cooperation, and commitment.
Yeah. Because that's all we had actually. To begin with, we didn't have a plan. It's not like, oh, I knew what to do, no, and he knew what to do. We didn't have a clue. The choreography was done in the first week of rehearsal, so that's in Miss Buffy's house. All of that just was, what do we need to do and how do we arrange this? We couldn't even do the full cast of the Oompa Loompas yet. We didn't know what to do with the Oompa Loompas because already maximized and they were already on stage. So
In fact, it was almost filmed initially because of the situation, the current situation. But as soon as the chance, I guess, to come together, of course, that's much better than we thought.
we didn't
Anything
know
that's
we could
much,
do
much better.
this,
Yeah.
but we
Exactly.
did. So it's really a work of miracle, but one that we created. So I really am in awe that we all are part of it. Not just the kids, but all the parents, the whole community.
I'm forever grateful to the whole community of Lily and to everyone.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
It's a real treasure. Thank you so much. I do love them very much. And they inform me of what I have to do. And I make mistakes. So I also pray for forgiveness when I make mistakes. But ultimately, they teach me more than I teach them. And this whole thing that we created together is really our work together. And that's a work of love from everyone. So we just want to say that we love you. Lily class. That's it. Thank
Love
you.
you. Bye.
When the world seems full of spies and that one's Mars, and after all that's what your spirit brings. All the stars and Mr. Wong got a boy, and he believes, and there's your what I do. Is it true? I'm a chocolatier, and now high above the thing we love, it's time.